Okay.
All right, ready? This is your first taste of green beans.
Not bad.
Do you like?
Want some more? A little different? So you said it takes 15 tries?
Before you can decide if he really does or does not like something.
Well, if he didn't like it. That's only the second try. You want some more? Maybe?
Good for you, bud.
Nom nom nom.
Nummy?
Oh no.
It's okay. It's okay. It's different. I know it's different.
It's good, huh? Uh-oh.
You choking on it?
No, he's not choking. He's just... Maybe we should try something else.
Maybe we should mix in a little cereal with it.
With that?
Like, well, no, like give him cereal too.
Oh.
Can you stop?
Did you like that? No? Okay.